Hello, I'm Prabinu. Question is, A, B and C together can do a piece of work in 10 days. B and C together work thrice as much as A, and A and B together work 4 times as much as C. In what time can each do it alone? Solution. Given is 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 1 by 10. 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 3 by A, and 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 4 by C. This is first, second, third. Now putting the value of 1 by B plus 1 by C from equation 2 in equation 1 comes out 1 by A plus 3 by A is equals to 1 by 10, which is 4 by A is equals to 1 by 10. So therefore A is equals to 40. Now equation 2 was 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 3 by A. It becomes 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 3 by 40. From here we can take value of B is 1 by B is equals to 3 by 40 minus 1 by C. Now putting this value of 1 by B in equation 3, 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 4 by C. So the third equation, so it becomes 1 by 40 plus 3 by 40 minus 1 by C is equals to 4 by C. This comes 4 by 40 is equals to 4 by C plus 1 by C. Comes 1 by 10 is equals to 5 by C, or C is equals to 50. Now putting the value of A and C in the first equation, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 1 by 10. Now 1 by 40 plus 1 by B plus 1 by 50 is equals to 1 by 10. Comes out to be 9 by 200 plus 1 by B is equals to 1 by 10. Value of 1 by B is equals to 1 by 10 minus 9 by 200. Taking LCM, 200, 20 minus 9 equals to 11 by 200. This is the value of 1 by B. So therefore the value of B comes out to be 200 by 11. So therefore answer is option number 3. Thank you.
Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, A, B and C can finish a work in 6, 8 and 15 hours respectively. They started the work together and after completing the work got rupees 94.60. Find the individual shares. Solution is A's 1 hour work is given by 1 by 6. B's 1 hour work is given by 1 by 8, and C's 1 hour work is given by 1 by 15. This implies the ratio of their working is equal to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 15, or we can write it as 20 is to 15 is to 8. Hence, share of A is given by 94.60 multiplied by 20 upon 43, which will be equal to rupees 44. Share of B is equal to 94.60 multiplied by 15 upon 43, which will be equal to rupees 33. The share of C is given by 94.60 multiplied by 8 upon 43, which will be equal to rupees 17.60. Hence, the answer is third. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, A can do a piece of work in 24 days and B in 30 days. A worked for 6 days and then B joined him. In how many days will the whole work be completed? The solution is, the work done by A in 6 days. 6 days will be 6 by 24, that is 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 is the total work, is the work done by A. Now 3/4 of work remains, which is done by both A and B. So we can write as 3 by 4 to 1 upon 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30, which will be equal to 10 days. Hence, the total number of days is equal to 10 plus 6, that is equal to 16 days. Therefore, the answer is fourth. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, if X bulbs consumes X square units of electricity in X cube days, then find the time in which Y bulb will consume Y units of electricity. Solution. This question will be solved using a relation, that is, number of units is equal to number of days multiplied by number of bulbs. In this case, this will be X square is equal to X into X cube. This will be the first equation. The second equation will be Y is equal to Y into T. By dividing, we get the value of T is equal to X square days. Therefore, the answer is second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, if a family of 9 men in Indore spends rupees 16,380 in a year, what must be the expenses of 8 men in Calcutta who live in the same style for 7 months, assuming that prices in Calcutta are 3/5 of what they are in Indore? Solution is, this question is based on the concept of variations. So, we can first of all write the given variations as the number of men, rupees they earn, months. So, 9 men in Indore spends rupees 16,380 for a year. And the question is asking about the expenses of 8 men in Calcutta who live in the same style for 7 months. But here the number of men are decreasing. So the months will vary accordingly. Or we can say that it varies inversely. This implies the given variation can be written as will give me the value of x. Therefore, x turns out to be 5096 rupees. Therefore, the answer is first. Thank you.